So I'm packing the van up to go out on this install. It's not too bad actually, fairly full. The bookcases take up a lot of space. But one of the things you've got to do when you're doing this is to stop the things rocking around, and you can put bungee cords and this kind of thing on them. This is actually the base that it's attached to here, which isn't too bad. But to stop it moving around, one of the best things I found is actually just to take a piece of wood, piece of timber that's the same width almost exactly as the back of the van, and just clamp the thing on. Of course, this works particularly well when you've got a face frame like this that you can clamp to. But even if you don't, there's usually a way of finding a double clamp to make sure that this stuff doesn't move around too much. It's probably really echoey in here, isn't it? Never mind. There you go. So there we are, that's my quick tip for installations and deliveries, keeping the product static. It's quick and easy, cheap, and it doesn't cost you anything in terms of space or equipment, because your clamps you'll probably have with you already anyway. So yeah, works for me anyway. Thanks for watching, see you next time.